can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, Solana. Solana over the last 1 month has rallied up by 15.2%. On a yearly time frame, Solana has seen a 565% increase. Good times have returned back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping aggressively to the upside. In this video, we'll take a look at the Solana US dollar price charts on a weekly time frame. There are some warning signals flashing on the Solana chart. I'm showing those warning signals. Solana is doing well on its weekly time frame against the US dollar, but will it continue doing well into the future? Solana is doing well against Ethereum, is doing well against Bitcoin. What are those warning signals? How low can Solana go if the dump is going to come? And if we're breaking to new all-time highs, guys, it's almost all season and there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Let's get down to business. So Solana has a market cap of $73.6 billion. Solana trades above $157. Solana has been the darling of this cycle. It has outperformed Bitcoin. If you are not holding any altcoin, the altcoin you wanted to hold that had liquidity, that had a little bit of security, has been Solana. Solana was here in the life cycle. You could get Solana for $8 at the bottom of this bear market. The market keeps keeping opportunities, and market participants keep taking up advantage of those opportunities. Take a look at what Solana has done since when it was launched. 5 waves to the upside, classic Elliott wave, 5 waves to the upside. Solana was launched, traded at the $0.53 level. By the end of the bull market, guys, Solana has gotten to as high as $250+, rallying by more than 47,000%, and all this happened in less than 2 years. Now, market participants were expecting Solana to continue pumping to higher values, but the bear market came just like it always comes, and huge dumps happen in the bear market. There's a lot of volatility when the market is pumping, but when the market is dumping, market participants don't like that volatility. We saw Solana dumping to gobbling town, losing 96.96% of its value. And guys, this happened in around 420 days. But that's not where the story ends. Solana recovered. Solana has been the best performer this cycle. When Bitcoin went down to $15,000, we saw Ethereum going down to $800. We saw Solana getting to as low as $8. If you bought Solana then, guys, you would have been some huge profit right now. You'd have been over a 1,600% profit. But let's not get carried away, guys. Can Solana continue giving these outrageous returns in the coming days and the coming weeks? Or is Solana getting ready for one big dump to gobbling town? And that's what I think. The warning signal is that it might have been performing well. Solana has been performing well over the last few years, but right now there's a lot of warning signals on the chart. The first warning signal I've been looking at has been Solana's momentum since when we got to the $200 level in March. Yes, the price has not really has a huge difference. We have seen Solana still trading in the top range. Distribution is happening. Solana is around 27% down from where it traded in March. But if you take a look at the RSI, guys, very disturbing. The RSI has been losing momentum. The RSI shows that we're losing momentum since March. Solana topped in March 2024. Since then, the RSI has gone from 86. Right now, the RSI sits at 54. We even saw it getting to as low as 47. Logic will lead me to believe that that's weakness in the market. Logic will lead me to believe that maybe, just maybe, the rally is over. We saw something similar happen in 2021 for Solana. After getting to that $200 level, we saw a pullback that put Solana's RSI down to gobbling town. And after that pullback, there was a mini rally that lasted just 3 weeks before we eventually had a final big crash that saw Solana losing 94% in less than a year. I will not be shocked if history is repeating itself. Remember, guys, history will not exactly repeat itself, but they say it always do rhymes. Now, Solana against the US dollar has done well over the last 1 year. Solana has also done well against Ethereum, the largest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market. After Solana was launched way back in 2020, we saw it pump and dump against Ethereum. But from January of 2021, that was the glory days. We saw Solana outperforming Ethereum by more than 3,300% in less than a year. But guys, a lot of these altcoins outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are very volatile. At the same time, when they start dumping to gobbling town, they can do that very quickly and very aggressive. Solana lost so much value against Bitcoin, against Ethereum in the bear market. losing 88% of its value. And now, right now, the market has seen improved conditions. Solana has also outperformed Ethereum. So in the rising market, you want to hold some Solana because it's very more volatile than Ethereum. The downside is that in the down market, you don't want to hold it because it means it will dump harder than Ethereum. And just like Solana's value against Bitcoin, we have seen the price stay at higher range. We have only seen Solana start breathing into new all-time highs against Ethereum. But if you take a look at the RSI, it is showing a lot of weakness. This is very, very bearish long-term for Solana. The price is still at a very high level, while the RSI has almost reset. It just means maybe some smart players are flipping their Solana back into Ethereum. Ethereum is at a low, Solana is at a high. Only time will tell. But it's just giving the vibes of what we saw earlier in the previous bear market before we started dumping to goblin town from August 2021. Solana was moving sideways, but you could see that the RSI was showing that there was already weakness in the system. If you need further confirmation, guys, if you take a look at Solana's performance against Bitcoin, similar story. We had huge pump in the bull market. Solana outperformed Bitcoin by a lot from January 2021 till the bull market ended in around September. Solana outperformed Bitcoin by more than 8,000%. And then down to goblin town against Bitcoin, losing 90+% of its value. And guys, that dump can happen very, very quickly. The previous bear market, it took 1 year. Nobody knows how long it's taking the next bear market. But one thing is sure, a bear market's around the corner. One thing is sure, we might see Solana rally briefly, but be very, very careful, because if there's a little weakness in the market, you might see Solana lose value drastically against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and even against the US dollar. But this is a 3 months, 4 months expectation, guys. I'm not expecting the market to just tumble and crash over the next few days. But over the next few weeks, I will not be shocked if there's a big crash. On the altcoin season index, we're very, very close to an altcoin season. We're very, very close to an altcoin month. If you take a look at the altcoin market for the last 1 week, huge gains across the board, double-digit gains across the board. Altcoins are pumping by 30, 40, 50% over the last 1 week. This is not normal, guys. At some point in time, these bubbles are going to burst. Right now, these bubbles are green. These bubbles are beautiful. Don't get carried away. Solana is the leader of all coins this cycle. We've seen a lot of meme coins on the Solana network. We've seen a lot of speculation going on the Solana network, and I think that's part of the reasons why Solana price is still high. Don't be deceived by the price. A dump to goblin town awaits us in the future. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. History has shown us over time. You want to buy some fear. You want to sell some greed. That greed is here. Will you have the courage to sell, or will you be buying more? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.